Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your vehicle's AC system. First, ensure you have an AC recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves. Safety is paramount, so always protect your eyes and hands. You'll need to locate the low-pressure service port, which is typically on the larger diameter line. This port is where you will connect the recharge hose to begin the process. Once you've identified the low-pressure port, start your engine and set your AC to its coldest and highest fan speed. Now, carefully attach the quick connect fitting of your AC recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Double-check that it's firmly attached to avoid any refrigerant escaping during the recharge. With the hose connected, observe the pressure gauge on your kit. It will show the current system pressure. To add refrigerant, hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger in short, 5 to 10 second bursts. Between bursts, gently rock the can and check the pressure gauge. Continue this process until the gauge indicates the correct pressure range, usually within the green zone. Once the pressure is within the recommended range, quickly and carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure service port. It's normal for a small amount of refrigerant to escape during disconnection, so don't worry. Finally, check for any leaks around the port to ensure everything is sealed. Now you can enjoy the refreshing cool air from your vehicle's AC system, making your drives much more comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.